Nining Acholi. Welcome back to Chaka Leb Acholi, segment me Kwan Leb Acholi. And Jacqueline Kang Caught. Man, show me Kwan, session number 68. Today we will be reading on the Oloro subclan of the Panyikwara clan of the Acholi tribe of present-day South Sudan. Okay, I've been reading about the Panyikwara clan for the past week or two now. They have 9 subclans, and it's taking me longer than I expected to complete this chapter. So please watch previous videos to find out what happened or what information we were able to find um, for the past 8 subclans that we read about. Today is the last day we are reading about the Panyikwara people, I hope. So the last clan we're reading on is the Oloro subclan. Okay. It's a bit lengthy. I think it's about 8 pages. Now what is that? I hope my internet is not going to act up. Okay. Please make to follow us on Facebook as Chaka. We are on Facebook as Chaka. We are also on YouTube as Chaka. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay up to date with our content. If you follow me on my personal Facebook page, which is Chaka Kang, South Sudan, I also post the same recordings there. Okay, Anapoamatek. Please like, comment, share. If you have any questions, drop it in the comments. Excuse me. If you would like to be a guest, please also drop your comments, okay? Um, you can also send me a private message or a DM under, or leave a comment under any video if you'd like to be a guest. If you're from Oloro or Panyikwara, if you have any information about the Oloro people or more information about Panyikwara, please also drop your comments or send me a private message, okay? If you'd like to correct anything, you can leave a comment under this video, please. We're learning as we go. I'm learning as we go, okay? Now, I'm going right into reading now because I have a lot to cover tonight, okay? I'm only going to read on Oloro. Near the end of the reading on Oloro, there's a small section, or it's not actually that small, it's a few pages, on the Agulukot Mioloro, which is like the rainmakers of the Oloro subclan. Okay, if I have time, I will cover it. If I do not, I will probably try to cover it tomorrow or something like that. I'll figure that out later. I'm just going to read on Oloro now and Team Oloro, okay? And appointment. All right, guys, so let's get into reading about Oloro. Yesterday we read about Palabek. Go and watch that previous video if you haven't seen it yet. It's on Facebook and on YouTube as well. Okay, so now we're reading on Oloro. Okay, so like you're joining on regarding Oloro. Jo Oloro Tiegi Doc on Martino. Abong one. Wow, no wonder why it's so long. 9 subgroups in Oloro. That's a lot. Okay, anyways. Oloro Tigi Doc on Martino. Abong one. Mana ye. Bura. Chubo. Kilio. Pamulu. Monotang. Chungura. Monoja. Kurula. Ka Ogura, or another word for Ogura is Lombiri. Lombiri. Okay, so we see that we're finding Buddha again. It seems like Buddha is all over Choli lands, whether in present-day South Sudan or present-day Uganda. And I also see this Achilio here in Oloro in Palabek. It seems like there's Kilio everywhere, also Kilio, and I think Omeo and close to Tori. There's Kilio almost everywhere, I guess. I was confused as to what part of Kilio, which Kilio my family was living in when I was a young child. Okay, so there's Bura, Chubo, Kilio, Pamulu, Monotang, Chungura, Monoja, Karula, Ka Ogura. Another word for Ogura or another name for Ogura is Lombiri. Okay, Anapomata. If you're from any of these groups in Oloro, please drop your comments. Please watch. Let us know what you think. Okay. I'm going to read based on what the author found during his research. And I think he spent about 20 years, 20 to 30 years conducting this research. Okay, so whatever he doesn't find, he does try to include that in the second edition of this book, which I will look for later. Okay, so now regarding the very first subgroup of Oloro, which is Bura. Danami Bura, Obino Ge, Aru, Lolubo, Ruot Gach, Aye, Mokelo, Gen, Ilobo, Acholi, Sudan. Okay, so Gibino Ge Aru, Ololubo. Buddha, which is true. We found that to be the same with the other Buddha groups, Mati, in the other parts of either Palabek, Panyikwara, or other parts of the Acholi groups, okay? Tekwara mi Panyikwara, wajani Jo Buddha onongo, aye dok ot onongo, aye dok ot ma dit ilolobo. Rod Buddha mi achiel ma wi dano po ikome aye ruod moga. Okay, ruod moga onyualo latino cho ario. Latino man mingi pat ento wan gi achiel. Latino awuobi achiel nyinge gach ento wan pe wang'eyo nying Latin awuobi mokene. Okay, yawa tie nino mo achiel ruod moga oluongo latino cho ario man e ot padaho matidi ko wajo budgi ni be Latino. Acholi owajo ni kabino pa to ng'at ma ng'eyo peke digi ka to ochamo kidi kot mera abidong bodu. No, ka ochamo kidi kot mera obidong bodu, meaning the kidi kot. Okay. Kot nakajui maro dano amara. Ka ng'at ma kidi kot po inyime en dong miero ng'e ni muna ye kot mere. En bene miero pe owach nyo nyut bon lowore. Miero ni Latin ma onongo kidi kot ma chalo man miero ogwak ma be pien kot amare. It's funny that says that because me and my brother King was just talking about kidi kot. When he was young, what he put Pajok or somewhere in Sudan a long time ago in the 80s. Onongo kidi kot. Nei no kidi kot e miero yala gik lungo gi kot karabino. I want to keep pingin me or kidi kot na no mun sign period no ngo onyuru kidi kot ni munong indong the next person in line me berege kidi kot e miero hado hoping. So that's a funny story. I try to relate to this section any. Kadang ochoni ngoni mapio tera moga mapol ruod moga oto. Ka wore gach o mako ke la puny Bernard Oring mi Oloro o waje borani inge due manok ma lobo topa ruod moga kiri kor achiel opo nyim ruod gach ka kiri kod mokene bene opo nyim omine. Ruod gach gi omine dong obedo ka chweyo kot bo dana mi lo lubo mod dana onongo ni kot pa ruod gach chwe madung dok cheko chama be loyo kot pa omine. La chien luak mi lo lubo duju dong ochako nyuru wor megi bot ruod gach. E kare ma omin ruod oneno dano duju woro ruod gach Lukman okelo chwe chwiny bore. Tien mapol ka ruod gach orware gi omine gin maro jaho dogi ruod gach moneno adaka nyo dega tie ka mere marachi kin gen gi omine oluongo omine ka waje bore ni be omera wan dong pe watwero bedo kany wan keri kachiel. Piman anongo ni wan dong pe watwero bedo kachiel kweri Pien ka wa mere gibero kachiel digi kelo ta kinwa. Pe amiro ta oneni kinwa kwere bene wala kwere pien wan lotino pa ngarachiel. Piman abiwel in ingom pa wora. Andong abichiro gi mal mera anyim. Karubanga pa woro. Karubanga pa wora ochungu matek digi anungo kabedo. Okay, interesting. So borongom boro mine moni malungyo nyingi koni piengi bedo kalwany piendano mar dongo gach pienante gi kiri kot per chwe madung loy po mine. So he didn't like that. Out of respect boro mine gi len pa wongi o ani ene michiro gi luak per chira nyimi borongom boro mine with pechunyo chwe keket. Which is respectful to do that, okay? So mine. Yala ningo gi odigo mukene road gach o wego lobo gidana manok gino chiro odonyo ilobo acholi don wajini road gach o wego lobo ikin moha apar bongwen gi piera biro wi achiel tekwar pacholi wajini luakwa road gach o bino onongo jo Panyikwara mukene pori tie i mede nyo igori wire, okay? Yala ruot kitala mi Panyikwara o jolo luak pa ruot gach mabe ka omiyo bot gi ngom mi gero gi mi pu. Omin ruot gach o dong I lobo gi luak dano madung. Ento kari bet opoga o berikin ruot gach gi omine jo bura ma o dong chien gi jo bura mo chere Panyikwara podi lungo kum gini o meho gi limeho, which is good, right? Unity ni podi dong gin podi family, okay? Tekwar mi oloro wajini jo bura ye ma o chako bino I Panyikwara gi bo dano mi oloro mokene, okay? Yala dok od mokene ma tie I gang oloro o bino la chien kagin ogero ikombura dog bong. Okay. Now regarding the subgroup me Oloro named Ogora. Like you're joining on regarding Ogora. Dana mi Ogora obino gi kabir ma para reo. Okay. Dana mokeno obino gi aru nyololubo. Mana obedo omero gilo limero pajo bura. Maneno odong chen ilolubo. Okay. Mokeno bino ilolubo jomo dong chen. Okay. Ka dana mokene kono la dit ogwe. La dit ogwe. Patin ogwe. La dit ogwe. Won yo cham. Won yo cham. Maukelo gin dok. Mokel gin dok okeo gi likeo gi lobo ba. Okay. Yala ningo. Gin dujo geri kum jo bura. Ento dana mokena wajini jo ogura. Nyogura aye ma ochako bino I Panyikwara gi bo dana mokena mi oloro. Dana man bene wajini jo oloro mokena obino la chien ka gino gero nyo oguro kumgi ikom jo lomberi. Jo ogura ogero ikom jo bura I mede. Okay. Ento dana mokena wajini kama jo ogura obino gi ye dana pengeo. Okay. Okay. Ka dana mokena kono wajini nyo dana mokena kono otamani jo ogura oporo gi malo. Again, here we go again. Remember gi wajini ngo jo partik oporo gi malo gi sky gi polo. Okay, mando lo tiyo ni jo mo ti atam ne jo gural sense gi nge ko kama gi bino ye they can't confirm ne gi bino gi lobo. Ne gi tam ne jo ogura oporo gi ipolo. Okay, tam ne jo ogura oporo gi malo, gino oporo gi yibgi. Yib man. Gi porogi malo gi porogi yibgi. Ma weho dude dana mapol oto. Who's coming up with this? Vak ma onongo kwa ikabero man dong ogoro dana ma dude gi oto. Omiyo bod gi ngom mi gero gi mi pu kala chen wak man olungo kumgi ni jo ogora. Okay, matien loke ni dana ma ogora. Ogoro gina gora gi pur gi ma yigo to ha. This is another group of people. One this, Gibino ge male polo. Are they supernatural? What do you think? In me ogora gina gora pingi pora wagi malo. Lungeni jogora. Ogora. Are you from Ogora? Drop your comments. Let me know. Let us know. Kamu binogi, okay? Do you believe this story? Ni poro gi malo gi polo toro yibuha ko ogoro na gora. Okay. Now regarding grouping of Pamulo. La choning regarding Pamulo. Danami dog od Pamulo, obino ge ba, la did or ta, a yeo killer luakman ge ba, kagino donny kino loro dog opi. Oh, really? Jo Pamulo mi ba ge bino those slaves. Loro. Okay? Lo dira chuli mukena waja borani jo Pamulo, obino iloba chuli. Iki moha apara bongwan gi piari we apara bongwan gi piari we dek. Okay, Gino bino ogere kumjo bura emede. What do you think? Drop your comments, guys. These are slaves from Ba Mukel Gina Kele Loro. What do you think? Are you from Pamolo? Is this true? Let us know. Yalla regarding Jo Chubo. Okay. La choja choring regarding Jo Chubo. Ni dana mi dak on mi Chubo obino gibar nyarubanga. La did ogeno odira wala odir. La did ogeno odire. La did ogeno odire. Ayeo kilo Jo Chubo e lobo Panyikwara. Okay. Dana mukena wajene Jo Chubo gino okeo gi likeo mi ogura. Okay. Gino bino bot paneo. Log mi kakatie mateki kin Jo Chubo gi Jo ogura. Okay. Man bene gina ma weho lotina nyire gi lotina wobe mi chubo gi ogura pe nyome. Is this true? Ni Jo Chubo, they're related to Jo Pamulo. Okay. They all come from Ba. So ginyome ko. Okay. Next ningo te kwar mi Panyikwara wajini dana mi Oloro ikara ma luak tie imere gin duju onongo tie ited lodge parwood otokare. Okay. The next subgroup is Kilio. Machocho choning or regarding Jo Kilio. Ni dana mi Kilio ki e lokai e mari. Okay. Ento gin peo bino gi mari ki madano mukene mi Oloro nyo Panyikwara bino kwere. Duan wajani chon gi chon lotina parodi nyome gi lotina parodi. Kin matin lotina palo lonyo nyome gi lotina palo lonyo. Te kwar mi Panyikwara wajani tie nena mo achiel ruot modu mi lokai ogina ochiro idibo miel. Gikenyu chunye oporo ikom lori latina nya pa ruot otokari mi Oloro. Chik kwaro mi achuri wajani ruot ka ongaro latina nyaha omaro latina nyaha man bene miro peo kwe. Mana okan ruot madu onyomo lori gi diengi ma welne romo chok pierario nyo ma karo. Ruot madu bene onongo tie gi daka mere madit ma biro anyaha mari. Okay. Yala rubanga o yabo nyimon pa ruot modi gino nywalo lotina mapol. Ka lotina bene o nywalo Likwayo mapol. Okay. Yala Leb Acholi lacho. Excuse me. Leb Acholi lacho maka oneno dako mapengeo mako ot. And dong duoko come bo dako ma en ng'iyo ni ng'eyo mako ot maber. Mako ot Leb Acholi mon mako gi tedo kuon maber wagi jolo welo. Yo ma pore chalo jolo welo gi bonyo. Man bene gin ma weko dano mi Acholi obolo kwere charo lok ni lacho gi mayo gi ayile. What is that? Ayile. Olar lacho gi ayile. Ayela. I don't know what he means. If you know, drop your comments. Lolar lacho gi ngone. Lacho gi mayo gi ngo. Ayile. I don't know what that word is. Ayile. Ayile. Drop your comments. Is that the custom? Okay, anyways. Lodira choli mapol o wajo borani. Lori otero quiri pa mine. Pien teach me o latira nyaga ponyo gi igang pa mine. Lori bene o ponyo quiri mi teach gi igang pa mine. Lori dong otero quiri mi teach man ilobo madi. Mona choli na jui. Pe maro tero wi dek achiel kit pamadi. Gin tero wi dek ma para rio nyo adek kala chodong yero gi lebe. Dek mene ma oye doke. Okay. Mona choli bene omaro tero dek chalo malakwang. Dek agura ma onongo oguru gi odi nyo odi full. Dek achobo, dek ngo manongo onyoyo moya iwie. Yala ringo ma otwo gi olel. Ringo achela gi kichwija. Nyogi okoro mono tero gi otondoli gi wi dek mokene ma parapat ma otwero ma pe atwero cho kany duju. Mona choli bene ngeo choyo kado mile. Gin pe choyo kado mile makech kid ma mon mi kaka mokene mar timo. How do you know the mon mi kaka mokone gimaro kere kado maduong dek? How do you know that? We are pori po kwere lok parod aburi mio bo ka ochiro ikin luak ma okelo bore cham ka kado ma oye doke en waje ni kado man mit chalo kado pa min ayany matin loke ni daka man ongeo tero chalo daka mere magilungo min ayany. Gigu marach daka madit parod madu pengeo tedo. Dok pengeo mako ot rod madu dong odoko kome bot lori daka matiri. Okay. Caught you tuan gua marach. Karong ninga ma daka ma gina daka parod madit ma daka parod madit onero ni chware odoko kome duchi bot nyego o mako ka o chako negolo tino pa nyege giyat. See, this is why God la dira chiel mi oloro o waje borani inge mwaka achiel keken dago pa ruod madit onegolo tino pa nyege wako duchu. Ha. Lori odong la bongolo latin mo I chinge. Lori mo neno ni nere nyere otiro nirolotino mere wako duju en beno tamo mi cholol ko. Igu maraj lori nongo pere gi yat en nongo tamo mi chobo lotino pa nyere gi apala. Tini na chiel lori okwanyo apala o chobo latin pa nyere ikore. Ikore. Don wajani min latin obedo kamaro wore pi nino manok chila chien latin mar porio to. Lori ma nena ni eno timo bal luoro o maren o wako gi gang pachuare o chiro bod wone I Oloro. I dwe man lori kare onongo tiegi ich mi dwe adek. Inge dwe bongwen lori nywala wore I gang pa wone ka ochako nyinge bichu. Ikar ma ruod madu owunyo ni lori otieko nywal eno bino I gang Oloro ka oyul lok ikingi gi daka mere. Tekwar pachuli gi mari duchu wajani daka ka oringo I gang pa wone nyo mine. Lacho miro ologi kore wek dano bed piny kalaro lok. Pien lo diro kaka miro ng'iyo luka ngo mo weko dako man oringo kwede woko I gang pa lacho. Maruot madu ok idi kalo Oloro eno nongo lotino awobe gi cho tie kayube widero pa ruot otokari. Lotino awobe ojolo ruot modu mabe okero obero itibu dero mati chok gi katich. Gin bene omie bore pia mara. Mano kany lori po gi ot pamine. Ikare mo neno chware tie kabero itibu dero. Lori odange gi duan matek ni. Unlotino lor pingo uweko lacho man odonyi gang. Wiwu pe po ni lacho man otimo marachi kare ma atie bore. Ka lori oporo piny gi koko ni. Ando chopere. Oberoga kogmunu. Ando chopere. You know, over and over. Because mira chwara donko. Lotina wobe ma winyo koko pal lamingi. Awo magin. Mangara chiel okwanya odo opobo ma one diet ma nongin tie kwede katweyo widero. Gibero ka goyo gi ruod mudu. So gigo ruod mudu gi odo. Ruod mudu ma nongo ni odo dongo nyam wakikome omore gi ngech makun yenyo kakane. Eno ringo I ot mo romo adek maparapat chi onongo kome petwer donyo I ot man. Lotino awobe bene peo weko bore kare. Gino mere gi goyo ruot. Kare ma ruot muru ok dokot mi angwen odo nongo dong oromo kome weko. Ruoro diyo kome gi tek odonyo I ot man. Man kare ma bene obero ot pa min lori. Ot pa mwaro. Pien ruot odiyo kome gi tek mi donyo ot man. Lachieno nongo ni choko kore achiel oto. Lotina wobe ma oneno ni ruot modu otieko donyo I ot pa maro. Gindong peo lubu kore. Ento wan pe wang'eyo ka ruot man opo woko nini. Okay. Gyo diyo mokene lo kwena chiel ma pe wang'eyo nyinge ochwalo duan por luok pa ruot modu ma en obedo ka wacho bodgi ni otina wob oloro olwenyi kom ruoth meu lodiro mari mawunyo lok man gino luongo kachoke kachoke man luang omogo ni jo mari miero ote diangi adek mikwe chuny ruoth otukare jo mari oyiero dong lotina wobi mabejo apa wagin ote ayal man bod ruoth atikari otokari okay will otokare okay pien chik kwar pa chuli wajini ka dano chwero chuny ruoth yin miero oyal en gi diengi nyodiel odiro kaka pa mari bene ochiko bot lotina wobe man apani eno uchiri gang oloro ka latin oloro mo miro lwenyi komu pe wamiro winyo ni latin mo gi kinwu otingo chinge kum dano mi oloro ka utiro mio te mewu bod ruoth wamiro upeny en bene ka en twero mio bodu ruoth madu mano kany lodira wobo madi omako yo Panyikwara gino tero gi diengi adek ma mi ayal ikar ma gino oke dikal mi oloro lo mi oloro jolo gin ka omiyo bodgi ka bero gi pia mara mano tina wo mi mari otiko yenyo no mari otiko yweyo gino chwalo duan bot road atikari nyo otokare ma kun gin obero ka wajo gin ni gin miro neno road otokari ma onongo duan man wajo bolo kwena mere owek oluong lotino mari obin bore la kweno chiro oluong lotino wobe mari gino bino bero piny ka gin okwanyo diengi adek omiyo bot road otokare achien lotino wobe mari openyo road otokare ka en bene twero miyo bodgi road megi road madu road otokare ogamo mich mere gi yom chuny ka wajo bot lo kwena achiel okwany road modu omi bolo tino madi la kwena ochiro ogonyo road modu gi ot okol kama mon maduong obedo ka maro en gi pi maliet nyo eno chang lo kwena omiyo road modu bolo tino madi kid ma road owacho okay lotino mari ogamo road megi ka gin odok pajo. It's a lot. Yeah. What do you guys think so far? Pachono chiraga jinyo daka pero kwera ogoa matek no toro chogi kore. What do you guys think? Ko yichira yala gi ngodiam wale ngodiel adik. Karungi kinya ngaw komke gido gena tugi. Komke igloba choli nyo lobo mari dana pe magata. Don wajini road madu ikarama ogonyo gi okol pa road otokari obedo kaneno ikino tino padaha mere ka en twero nongo latina chiel madigi twero makoke lachin road onongo ni latin mo pere kino tino padaha mere madigi twero makoke piman road chwala duan bod joloro ni gin miero owek wore bechu oduok pajo pien inge to mere en bene ngiyo mabe ni bechu twero makolwa mi lokai. Okay. So ikare ma road otukari onongo duan man en olungo kachioko palo diro kaka mi oloro ko wajo bodgi ni anongo duan gi bod road modu ma wajo ni en miro wore bechu odok bore pajo diro kaka oloro ma winyo loke gin pe obedo iye gi yom chuny Gino dongo gamo bodrood otokare ni bechu pektuere doki lobo madi. En dong bibero latin ora igang oloro. Kidma en bene obero okeo mi oloro. Ada bechu peo da odok igang madi. Kidma wone onongo miro. Dwan wacho ni ma bechu otiko dongo. En onyomo daho kagin onywalo kwede lotino mapol. Gitung chel lori ma obedo min bechu bene opoi cho ko nywalo lotino mukene. Lachien lotino pa bechu gi lotino pa lori onywalo bene lotino. Kagin olungo kumgi ni jo kilio. Lokman dong kelo wan ipeny mukene ni. Pingo dana mi Panyikwara waje ni jo kilio obino gi madi. Makun dana mi dok ot mi kilio bero lotino pa bechu gi lori ma onywalo gin bene igam oloro. Tin dana waje ni jo kilio bino gi mari pien bechu obed latin pa ruod modu mi mari yala bechu kari bed onyomo. Bero nyomo dok onywalo lotino ipaneo ento chik kwaro pe Acholi bula pa Acholi pori waje ni lotino lobo oride pa wego mana ye gin ma oweho dano waje ni lotino pa bechu duchu gin bene madi. Mi ario lori onywalo lotino mukene iwi lim pa ruod modu. Chik kwaro waje ni lotino ma onywalo iwi lim won lim naka jui chamo. Pien waneno ang'ech kany ni ruod modu onyomo lori gidiangi chi kare ma lori odok igam pa wone jo loro pe odwoko lim pa jo madi. Piman lotino duchu pa lori onywalo gi chware manyien gi lotino madi lacho manyien obero dok nyok tiko nono. Ha! So lotino pa lori weng pudi lotino pa ruod mi madi. Man bene nyuru borwan look ma oweko tin dano wache ni jo kilio gi madi. Okay, makes sense. Okay, so that was about, which subgroup was this again? Jokilio. Okay, that was really long. So bet you give me and Lori, routine magi nyalgi grandchildren doing wine, make up the people of Kilio of Oloro. Okay? Now regarding Kurula. Don't want regarding Kurula. Danami dok on me Kurula obino ge ba la dit okwera ye okay la dana man Leb Acholi te kwara pacholi pe wajo kit ma jo Kurula oworo kwede. Okay? Nyo gino donyo I Panyikwara. Ento lo dire mi Panyikwara mo kena wajo bora ni jo Kurula oweho lobo ba pilok kom lwen gilnek ma obere katime tien ma pol kindano. Duan wajo ni la diro kwera mo neno ni luak mere tie katoma duo eno kwanyo dano mo dong okelo gini Leb Acholi o I Panyikwara. Okay? Kagi kanyi ngoni gin obino ogere kum jo bura. Mana ye gin ma oweho jo Kurula tin odogo dok ora chiel Oloro. Okay? That's it about Kurula. Gibino gi ba, okelo gin gi chief okwer mo okelo gin gi ba. Okay? Kibiro kalwan gin ne ba, so they wanted to get away from that. No lo aperti atoma dung agibino awo. Okay? So now regarding your monotang group mix monotang Oloro. Wacho jo chani ngani. Ti kwar pachuli pe wajo ka kama dano mi monateng obino gie. Ento tin wanungo monateng tie dok orachiel igang Oloro. Atamani is second edition wabi logo maduong ikomjo monateng. It's not enough information, and that's how he concludes information on monoteng. Monoteng, okay? Okay. That's it. So now, regarding group mingo, chunguru, well, chungura. That's another subgroup, chungura. I did you joining on regarding chungura. Ikarama abero kawot ikindana mi achuli Sudan. Pe anongo ngad mo matwera wajabora lo kom jo chungura. Piman, wandong pe wangio ka kwene madano mi chungura obino giye do gino donyo e Panyikwara mo amene. Man gina chill ma wabedo kayenyo ne a second edition ni book man. Okay, stay tuned. There's no information on Monateng. There's no information on Chungura. If you're from Monateng in Oloro or from Chungura, in Oloro, please drop your comments. Let us know who can give us some information about your people. One more for my tech, okay? Hopefully I will find a second edition soon and read more about your groups. About 2 more pages on just ngani got Oloro. Team Gi got Oloro. I tell Kwan about the little groups, Manadong, Team Gi got me Oloro. But you're joining up. Joloro tigi team Mario. Team Deo gi team Korokoro. Te Kwarmi Panyikwara, what you name? Chon gi chon team Deo bero team Pajo Pakala. Okay? Kala chin jo Pakala nyumo Latina nyami bura gi team man. Don wajani la chin jo bura beno kwanye team Deo omyo bodjo ogora kidma gino bino bodgi dok okeyo gi likeo kidma wabedo kaneno ne angech mana ye gidma weho tin latin ogora koro chiriba mi team Deo odiro mi Oloro owajibora ni la ko chiriba mi achiel obedo la dit achiga ingeto pa chiga timo dong bot kenyi. Ngeta pa kenyi timo dong bot la dit orom. Ngeta pa orom timo dong bot la dit mugeni. Ngeta pa mugeni timo dong bot yo sero wa tim pori tie bot yo sero. Te kwar mi Panyikwara wajani imwaha apara bong wangi piera bor we are real. We apara bong wangi piera bor we are dek. Joba obero kalaro team Deo gi bot Oloro. Pien joba mokene ogere team Deo. Piman gindong wajani team Deo ye team Maggie. Okay. Now tie nina chiel joba obero Chaka la dit mugeni mao nyang ni joba tie e kachare eno kurchiri ban chi manno kanye kwach obino gi team Deo ochungo nyim joba dano mati kachare man e kare ma gin oneno kwach gin dujo tuk gie ni team Deo ye team Pajo Oloro mi Panyikwara. Okay. Okay. Did mugeno otimo kidman minyuru bod joba ni petie dano mo ilobo ba matwero koro twero koro chiri ba meeting Deo ento Latino Oloro keken mat tie gi twero ikin Latino Oloro ken matie gi twero itiman matien lokeni timpe gi laro pien team duchu tiegi wegine. Mi ario, dano pe koro chiriba mi timata. Inina mi dwa, won tima ye koro chiriba, wek ra pe ongol dano. Nyole team pe orom dano. Chiriba mi team ka koro ata, anaka jui kelo pot madit bolwa. La po lok man, ma be ne o time moha apara bongwen gi piara bira wea bongwen mala dira chiel ma gilungo orom o koro chiriba mi team deo. Ma dano chiro idwa kot ogoy dano gi pi. No koro goy dano gi pe. Ma luak duchu obedo gi kejo pingo team deo kelo bodgi kot gi pe. Mod luak onyang ni won team ma pe okoro chiriba ento la diro rom. Mod luak onyang ni won team ma pe okoro chiriba ento la diro rom. Ma en bene pe won team aye ma okoro chiriba. Piman luak duchu obedo gi kejo madit ikom orom. Ma weka duan wala ma weka wang orom ota waka. Wow. Team okoro kono tidok kulu. Tidok kulu lum. Matie ikindwa la yoyo. Ming ngaya giti Maria. Kulo lum man. Chololum wala kololum. I don't know what it means. Mantin odaga kadwa. Kululu mantin odaga kadwa pajo. Odaga kadwa pajo. Oloro pien entiegi le mapol. Te kwar mi Panyikwara waja ni chon won team koro. Onongo pere entoi moha par bongoni Pierre Beach. Mala dina tenyo dak. Odak woko la dila netenyo odak woko gi kamuli nyo ami. Oh, this is what he meant by ningati ami. Okay. Odak woko gi kamuli nyo ami. Ogero what is this? Chal uni la chien Nathaniel oneno ni kin ma won team koro dong pere makun team mantie gile mapol endong ochero dwa koro la dit Nathaniel obero ka koro chiriba mi team koro pi moha a beach. Okay, moha a beach. Chila chin Nathaniel to wagi gi mun pa chala ma o time e moga apar bongon gi Pierre Beach wa beach. Inge to pa Nathaniel dana mo pere ma o tamo me ma o team koro. Duan wajo ni kad be dano pe oloyo team koro chi mo apar bongon gi Pierre Beach wa biro luak mi Panyikwara pori o mere gi dwaro timan. Wandong pe wangeo ka imoha man ngad ma keke ngama ka imoha man ngad mo keken dong tuero koro chiriba meeting koro. Drop your comments king ngad mo ke koro chiriba meeting koro dong. Dana no pe mi kono Nathaniel ta ne. Nga koro chiriba ne. Okay, karong ningo jo oloro tiegi gora chiel magilungo god. Tiegi gora chiel magilungo god lugora. Ma en bene god pa jo ogora. God lugora. Jo ogora. Okay. Gikenyo ngone. Paul dana mi Acholi Sudan gino bero lo Cristo. Kin bene ng'iyo maber ni jami matie e wi lobo kany duchu rubanga ma ochweyo. Ka okero jami achiel ka bedo mere. Ento lo diro loro mokeno bedo ka wacho bora ni God logoro oporo gi malo. Stop it. You sing God logoro bino gi malo bene. Is that true? Drop your comments. God logoro oporo gi malo. Jogoro bene oporo gi malo. Kid ma wabedo ka neno ne ang'ich. Dano man omere gi wacho ni jogora oporo gi malo kachiel gi kidi. Stop it. Is this true? Ka mol Latin kidi man. Stop it. Latin kidi man odongo got matin walungo got logora. Is that true? Okay. Let me know if it's true, guys. They're saying the mountain got Logora or Mount Logora, and the people of Ogora all fell from the skies. God just dropped them on earth and they appeared. What do you guys think? All right, anyways. Danam Oloro, Tiegi Jok, Magdalunga Jok, Nya Wandi, Nya New Wandi, Joloro, Mu Jok to Nya Wandi. Matie Kom God Logora. Latin mi dok ot mi ogora aye ma yubo jokman lo diro loro wajo borani la yub wang jok nyawandi mi achiel ma wi dano po ikome ena ye achiga ngetopa achiga jok dong bot kenyi ngetopa kenyi jok dong bot arom ngetopa rom jok dong bot mugini ngetopa mugeni jok dong bot yesero wa tin yesera ye ma podi yubu wang jok man bene nyuru borwani la ko chiriba mi tim deo en bene ma yubu jok na wendi ni wendi te kwara pa Panyikwara wacho ni jo ni wendi mio kony maduong bodano mi oloro iyo ma pat adek kid man. Okay. Mi achiel daha mi oloro ka opo bot la cho mokene chware machon chiro bot won jok nywendi waje bore gin mo time ka won jok dong kwanye pi ki oboke olwero lamo gi daho man inyim jok ma won jok otiro lamo daho en dong waje bot chwa daho wek dok odoki gang gi odiko mokene ka daho man ochiro ikulu ka tuomo pi en tuomo pi yeyo bene maber iwiyo. What? En tuomo pi yeyo bene maber iwiyo. Yeyo bene maber iwiyo. Chika dakaman ok edikal ma en miro chiba agulu pi piny agulu pi moko woko iwiye. Dana mi gang ka oneno jemi ma kid mano time gin nyang chut ni wang won jok nyandi olamo dako lo diro kaka ichao menu chut chwalo dano ario nyo adek bot kaka pa chwa dako machon. Okay. Lo kwena ka okigang palacho machon gin bedo piny ka laro lo kwena pa lacho manyien dong wacho ni bot kaka palacho machon ni bal gin what? bal get padano wanongo omin wa chiel otimo bal enopo gi daka mewa wandong wala un gi kija katwer miero udwak chwinyu pien jami makid man pe ochare ki latin mewa wan bene wangie maber ni jami makid man ka otime la bal nakajwi chulo bot chwa daka chulo bot chwa daka gari la kwach gi nyok romo piman wan bene wakelo boru jami adek kid ma chikwar pa chuli mira so chware olama en mopo chomunyi agulo omo highway yes so, I don't know tien mapo jami mi ayal jami mi ayal man ka okelo kakape kwero dange look dano pa lacho machon ogamo excuse me I need to cough okay excuse me tien mapol nya yal machalo man ka okelo kakape kwero ada inge look dano palacho machon ogamo ayal ka gino chalo latina wowi ma podi tie gi mwakapa igang pachwa daka manyen okay ma podi latina wowi man pe ochako wot lo diro kaka chika bore look matek ni ento ka I ok idikal pa joni chiri bo daka matie gi agulu pi iwie ka iwach bore wek en oye agulu pid piny ka daka man oye agulu pi en bene miero idwak bodwa chut manok kany latina wobi ochako wot ma en ok kuno ochiro bod daka matie gi agulu pi iwie ka waje bore ni be daka tien agulu pi matie iwi agulu pi matiwi ket piny okay mada oting agulu pi eno no ni agulu pi bene oye mi bino piny latina wowi man a dog gang kirma ochieko kwere this is confusing mi ario jok nyuwandi konyo latino awobe mi oloro ikare mi nyom otong kak lo dire mi oloro obero ka waje borani kari bedjo nyuwandi konyo latino awobe oloro ento jok man pe konyo latino awobe duchi matie gang oloro jok nyuwandi konyo latino awobe mi dok ot ogura keken nyomo otokak nakajwi man bero ayupa won latina wobi gi won latina nyaka ludira chuli wajane ka wang won latina wobi por kom latina nyaka chi latin anyaka man okwer loke waka won latin awobi dong chiro bod won jok wek en olam latina nyaka man inyim jok okay won jok ko nongo duan ma chalo man en kwanyo oboke olwero gi pi e abit lamo kwere latina nyaka man inyim jok nyuandi latina nyira acholi jwi kelo pi mi tero pi mi luok gi pi mi amara gi kulu ma ikare mokene onongo tie mail achiel nyo abich kulu a beach kolo giga. Don waje ni Latina nyakamia alama, no, Latina nyakama olamo, inyimjo, ka eno chiro ikulu, giodigo, en tuama pi mabe, yeyo bene iwie mabe, chi, ka Latin nyakaman o pajo gipi, en dong pe tuero tingo agulu pi man giwie. Pieno agulu pi, mogo wako iwie. Un Latina nyaka, ko nena gulu pio dongo mogo biye anyare en tuk ginyam chut ni un Latina wobi mo olamo nyare inyim jok pi man un Latin anyaka dong wajo bot nyare wek ote pi man igam pa wuna wobi ma en ngeo ni un Latina wobi man onongo tie gichunyi kome Latina nyaka man dong therapy gang pa wun Latina wobi Latina nyaka ka ok igang pa Latina wobi en yeo agulu pi ping la bongo ayela kagin ma chalo mano time Latina nyaka dong petuara dok igang pa wune. It's horrible. Latina nyaka man bedo da pa Latina wobi pilok man jo Panyikwara ma pol ka neno lo diro oloro tie ka chono Latina nyaka ma tie dok ot pa jo Panyikwara mukene gin peye chutni inkono gin penyo chutni inkono oloro mi dok ot mene kala cho man ogamni en dana mi agura gin wajo chut bot Latina nyaka ni Latin wok komi diki attach P more iwi. It's true. Okay. Mi adek jok nyuandi konyo dana mi oloro ikara mi dwa. Ka dwe mi dwa dong otiro ramo wu. Kanino dwe mi dwa dong otiro ramo won team ma en bene won jok nyuandi kuro chiriba wek rape ngol tien dana wale team bene peorom forum dana. That's a lot of information. So I just concluded reading about Oloro. It was a lot. So we found that the Oloro subclan has 9 subgroups, which are Bura, Chuba, Kilio, Pamulu, Monteng, Chungura, Manoja, Kurula, and Ogora, Lomberi. Okay. So we found out that Bura people, of course, came from Aru Olubo, and the Chief Gach, and then so the Chief Gach. Okay. And later it was under Chief Mogi, Road Mogi. And they have a lot of kids, blah, 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 blah. Okay. Anyways, some people saying the Oloro people were the first to come, but they found the Buddha people and the Uringam, okay? And the Agura people, they saying they fell from the sky, from the heavens. They fell on their tail and broke off their tail. So they were collected off the ground. So that's what they call Ogora, Ginagora. It means that they were collected off the ground because they fell from the heavens, they fell from the sky. We don't know if that's true or not, okay? And the Pamulo people, we don't have enough information on them. All we know is that they came from Bar, into Acholi, okay, but we don't have enough information on them. But they came as slaves, okay? They came from Bab. They were brought as slaves. I'm assuming the Arabs brought them as slaves from the 1920s, 1922 to 1923. They came as slaves, but then they later settled with the Oloro subgroup as part of Panyikwara. Okay, then the Chuba people also they came um, from Bar Nyarubanga. Uh, they were brought by Chief Ogeno Odire. Odire, okay. Um, and then they settled with the Panyikwara people as well. Um, okay, they came and they settled with people that was um, they're related to the Ogura people, is what they're saying. Okay. And then we have the Kilio people. The Kilio people are the people of Mari. Okay. They say they're Mari even though they're from Oloro, actually from Oloro, because they are the people of Lori, who was married to the chief of Mari, which is Mudu. She left her husband and came back home to her father in Acholi or in Panyikwara in Oloro. And she had his last son in back home in Oloro. So the children that she had after she married were still considered the children of the chief because the husband has never received the dowry. Her parents didn't pay back the dowry that they paid for her. So technically, the children that she had with her new husband were all the chief of Mari's children. The chief of Mari's children, Chief Muru's children, okay? So all the children that she had and the grandchildren, that legacy, that lineage, all belong to Mari, including the last son. The children of the last son of Chief Modu all belong to the Mari chief. So they formed the group called Kilio, the subgroup of people from Kilio. They were all descendants of the chief's wife, Lori, and the last son of Chief Madhu and Lori. Okay, that's why they call Kilio from Mari. But technically, they're Chuli from Loloro and Panyikwara. Okay. Um, and then the Kurula people also came from Ba. Okay, under Chief Okwara. Okay. And they came and settled here because people were fighting a lot. He wanted to get his people to safety. Uh, they came and settled with the Buddha people. Of course, it seemed as if Chief Kitala was receiving many people in Panyikwara at the time. And then there's the Monotang people. The Monotang people, we don't have any information on them. We're going to read the second edition if we find it and see if we can find more information about the Monotang, including the Chungura people, okay? We don't have much information on the Chungura people as well. We're going to read the second edition and see what we can find about the Chungura people. Now, regarding land of the Oloro people and mountains of the Oloro people, Tingikot Oloro. We found that they have a lot of people have two teams or two land rights to Team Dale and Team Korokoro. Okay, and then um, what else here? He goes into a lot of detail about the different the people who are in charge of those land and in charge of any hunting that happens throughout the land. And then he goes into detail about the Juk, or the god, their god, which is Juk Nwandi. Um, and this Juk is settled by God Lugura. It resides in God Lugura. Okay, it mainly serves the people of Ogura or Lugura people. Okay, not all Oloro people. Okay. And sometimes people use it to trap women into relationships or marriages with them. Okay, and that's about it. Okay, that's all about the Oloro people. Tomorrow I will read about the Agulukat ni Oloro, which is the rainmakers of the Oloro subclan of Panyikwara. Tomorrow. Okay, now let me know what you think. It was a very long reading. Drop your comments, share, like, follow, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Okay, and then you guys have a good night. Okay, our YouTube is Charlie Leb Acholi. Facebook is Charlie Leb Acholi. I'm romantic. Drop your comments, like, share, engage, engage, engage. Thank you so much. Okay, guys, have a good night. Bye bye.